Welcome to the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. This is Nature Crafts with the Loxahatchee staff. I'm Ranger Serena, and today we're going to be making a fall wreath. It'll look like this. What you're going to need is paper plates, glue, scissors, some kind of something to hang it with, like string or twine or ribbon, or this is actually seam binding tape, rope, anything you need, anything like that. You can have embellishments, you can have little cutouts of acorns or something like that. You'll need some fall leaves. If you want to take a template right off the internet, that's fine, or you can just cut out. I used construction paper and just cut out fall colors. So let's get started. You're going to take your take your paper plates, and you're going to cut a circle around the inside. Okay, you're going to take all of this from the inside of the paper plate out. So you may have to have your parents with you and have them help you. Another thing I forgot to mention, always cover your space. When you're working in any kind of craft, always cover the space you're working on, just so you don't get anything messed up. You can put a piece of newspaper down, newsprint, just keep it all so that you have an actual workspace. So I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to punch a hole in the center. I'm going to cut out the center just like that. And then I'm going to take the leaves that I have already cut out, and again, you can take and make watercolor. If you want to take a watercolor, and if you have paints and you want to paint a piece of paper and then cut out leaf shapes off of that, that's great. But what you're going to do is you're going to just glue these leaves. Take your glue, and you're going to just glue these leaves. Let's see, it's coming out. Okay, that's good. You're going to just make a design on the paper and just stick them right on to the. I want to take these colors. You're just going to any of the colors that you have. I think I want a yellow one in here. The basic thing you're going to want to do is just cover the entire, just make sure that there's like the least amount of white is showing from the paper plate, or whatever color paper plate you have, right? And we'll put this one over here. And we'll take a couple more I mean, you get the idea. So we're just going to put these around your paper plate and let it dry. And once it's dry, you can put any embellishments that you want to put, like on this one, on the finished one, I put some color, some shiny little leaves that I happen to have. But then you're just going to take and cut a bit of something to string it up with, and in this case I am using just a piece of seam binding because I happen to sew at home, and I'm just going to make a knot in here, and it's all ready to hang up on your door or on your room, or if you're going to somebody's house for Thanksgiving and you want to maybe take a nice little housewarming, you can do that. So it'll look like this when you get finished. Fall is one of my favorite times of the year. I love the smells, love the food. I love pumpkin. I love leaves, love the fall colors. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for joining us at the Arthur R. Marshall Loxahatchee National Wildlife Refuge. See you next time.